The year 2009 was an indispensable year for the crypto business, as it changed the future of the fintech business everlastingly, which for the most part is very huge. This, in every way that really matters, is primarily on the grounds that the year had a place with the crude cryptographic money Bitcoin in a fundamentally large manner. Pushing ahead to 2015, the year likewise generally had a place with the biggest altcoin Ethereum in the chain, which has been steady with its improvements. Cardano network is effectively delegated as perhaps of the most versatile framework on the planet monetary discussion. The organization for the most part has been quick, advancing to in a real sense be the primary friend evaluated in a flawlessly versatile chain, by and large, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The stage relies upon the verification of stake component, which generally helps it victory its adversaries, which certainly is genuinely critical. This by and large is finished by bypassing sort of diligent supportability banters in a significant manner. Cardano for the most part is presently laying out its reign and utility at an immaculate rate in a significant manner. Consequently, the mission to drive the cost directions proceeds to develop a lot stronger incredibly. Make a plunge as we present to you the truly conceivable value expectation of Cardano's ADA for 2022 and then some. Cardano crypto value expectation for Q4. Cardano's vassal for the most part hard fork has supposedly certainly cut down gas expenses by half and the interpretation size. Certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. The producers confirm that with the overhaul, clients currently get 10x reserve funds on space at a portion of the cost, which is very critical. In the event that this tempts financial backers, ADA's cost could chug up to 65 cents in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. On the other side, Cardano's exchange volumes have been in a consistent downfall. The exchange volume as of the 30th of September has especially dropped to $4.44 B. The street ahead is by all accounts commonly dull for Cardano. An irritating position could close the year at 42 cents. Taking into account the bullish and negative focuses on the normal cost could really settle at 56 cents, which generally is very critical. ADA crypto value expectation for 2023. A consistent slope and noticeable quality is in every way that really matters. Basic for Cardano, as the outcomes will ultimately ponder ADA's cost in a significant manner. In genuinely such a hopeful situation, we truly anticipate that the ADA cost should reach as high as $1.13 in a genuinely significant manner. On the drawback, in the event that things really win for the bears, the altcoin's cost could land at 59 cents in a significant manner. Progressively, a harmony in the trading tensions could land the typical cost at 85 cents. Diffies and Cardano's developing predominance in the area could in every practical sense become basic for Cardano. Besides, the heightening count of designers would essentially assist with enhancing the arranged drives of the organization, wherefore the cost of ADA could really push to a genuinely limit of $2.01 toward 2024 in a very significant manner. Be that as it may, on the off chance that the more extensive market generally goes over a potential monetary emergency or administrative bottlenecks, the altcoin could drop to $1.04, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. That being said, the ordinary cost could especially settle at $1.54. Cardano value expectation for 2025. Toward the finish of 2025, in the event that the convention executes its exceptionally open democratic framework, the organization could lose specific dealers, taking a chance with the cost to plunge close $1.80. Notwithstanding, taking into account enhancements in bug avoidance frameworks, the cost might cruise in beautiful normal figures close $2.61. In the event that Cardano effectively hails off certain activities, coordinated efforts, and new updates and brilliant agreements, the ADA cost could strike a very limit of $3.49 toward the finish of 2025, which really is genuinely critical. Cardano value forecast in an unpretentious manner. Assume Cardano keeps on zeroing and on traveling from a creating organization to a created one. All things considered, we will find the convention expanding on its client base with a deluge of more current clients, which essentially is genuinely critical. Once more, this could help the cost of ADA to raise its bar to 65 cents toward the finish of 2022, as opposed to prevalent thinking. In any case, on the off chance that by and large regrettable discernments generally torment ADA's cost projection while the organization is still being worked on amazingly, the especially bears could sort of jump all over the chance and especially check the year-end value focus to levels around 42 cents. What sort of is Cardano? The Cardano network is additionally the world's very first friend-inspected, most certainly decentralized blockchain arrangement, which flaunts ADA as local digital money drives that convention. It by and large was made by ex-Ethereum Prime supporter Charles Hoskinson and fundamentally was sent off in September 2017 amazingly. The altcoin has a stock restriction of 45 billion tokens, which especially is very critical. principal examination, or so they certainly thought. The blockchain really is divided into two layers, to be specific the Cardano settlement layer and Cardano computational layer. The CSL animates the shared exchanges inside the organization utilizing the Ouroboros component, and the genuinely savvy contract system is taken over by the CCL layer, permitting a consistent movement in the two fragments, which explicitly is very critical. Despite the fact that Cardano fundamentally utilizes a POS calculation, it basically utilizes an intricate variant marked Ouroboros POS, which is genuinely huge. Ouroboros, in contrast to traditional POS, makes time slots called an age in an unobtrusive manner. Every age fundamentally has a space chief picked by different hubs in the opening in an unpretentious manner. These pioneers generally complete block creation in every age, and every pioneer has an opportunity to make it happen. This decreases clog and builds TPS, which is very huge. 2017. Cardano's group raised most certainly more than $63 million during its ICO in a sort of large manner. The market capitalization fundamentally developed to more than $600 million by the 1st of October. By the 29th of November, the altcoin shot up more than 142.4%, taking its market capitalization to $3.58 amazingly. 2018 in an unpretentious manner. In the absolute first month of the year, the altcoin's cost hit an ATH of $1.16, which is very critical, be that as it may. Falling into a negative snare, the cost generally descended to 4 cents before the year's over. 2019 in an unpretentious manner. ADA cost had started the year on a bullish note and figured out how to fundamentally hit 5 cents on January 9th in a huge manner. Heading on a downtrend, the value slipped to 3 cents on February 6th, yet truly figured out how to hit 10 cents on April 3rd, or so they thought. After a pullback to 5 cents in tedious endeavors, ADA cost in a real sense hit 11 cents on the 26th of June, or so they for the most part thought. Pursuing delayed negative directions, ADA cost tracked down help at 3 cents in December, which certainly is genuinely huge. 2020. Cardano generally had started the year at 3 cents and truly rose to 6 cents by mid-February in an unobtrusive manner. Be that as it may, amazingly tumbled to 2 cents in spring. Heavy lashes brought the cost down from 15 cents to 7 cents by September end, which is very huge. The exchange for 2020 generally was especially put to an end at 17 cents. 2021, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. The year had started on a bullish note, wherein the altcoin essentially hit another ATH of $2.40. The market decline in May hauled the cost from $2 to $1.48. ADA cost generally hit another ATH of $3.08 in the long stretch of August, which certainly is genuinely critical. Q4 generally was negative for Cardano as it lost more than half in valuation, to end the year at $1.10 in an unobtrusive manner. Is Cardano an excellent interest in 2022 in the midst of fresher, higher-performing participants, or so they for the most part thought? Cardano most certainly is as yet in every way that really matters. Optimal venture, with its strong turns of events and furthermore taking into account the plenty of uses ready to go, which is very critical. Is Cardano